With Valentine's Day next week, I have this Heartbreaker hairstyle, which would be perfect for your little one. It will take about 10 minutes to do, but it's fairly simple. We are starting out with a little bit of water and spray gel and then combing it through just so that the style will hold better. I'm using her natural hairline as part of the heart outlined here. And then the other part of the heart, I'm going to come above her eyebrow and then simply create a rounded area kind of coming in. So this will be the top of one side of the heart. I'm just going to comb out both sides so you'll see it kind of comes over where her natural part is. With the other side, I'm just going to create another rounded part. Now it's okay if your heart is not perfect because you're freehanding it. It might take a couple times. You'll see that my one side of my heart is a little bit wider, but you really can't tell that much when the hairstyle is all said and done. So I'm going to part it down so that it kind of comes at a V like a heart would at the bottom of a heart. And then I'm simply going to secure this area off for the time being so that I can create my pigtails. So with the rest of the hair, I am going to divide it down the middle and create two pigtails, one on the left and one on the right. And these are going to be lower pigtails. After I've got those both secured off into pigtails, I'm going to come back to my heart section. This is a heartbreaker style, so we're going to break it all the way down the middle from the top to the bottom. I'm simply going to secure the left side off for now. And with the right side, we're going to section it into three parts. So I'm going to do the top part, combing out the top, and then you'll notice me combing out the hair below it. This is simply so that I don't get unwanted hair in this top ponytail. I'll secure it into a ponytail and then I'll create a second ponytail. I'm going to add the first ponytail to the second, simply comb it out and add an elastic. This bottom section I'm simply going to clip off for now as I'm not quite ready for it, and I'm going to repeat what I did on the right on the left. I'm going to create a ponytail at the top and then connect it to the second ponytail, just making sure to comb it out so it's nice and smooth as I go. And then I'm going to take the bottom section and incorporate it into one and bring both ponytails together and add them to the bottom ponytail. From here, I'm going to take the tail of the hair and add it to the closest pigtail, and that is our finished look. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow us over on Instagram and Facebook at Easy Toddler Hairstyles, and we will see you next week.
Happy Valentine's Day! Hope you like my hearts. So, is it Valentine's Day?